Palladium is an application that helps doctors to detect what disease a person is suffering from. It uses image recognition to achieve this. Millions of people die every year because of various forms of lung disease, and many a times it is because doctors misdiagnose a patient. Palladium aims to solve this issue by using machine learning to help doctors diagnose a patient. This piece of software can help millions of people to get better from various diseases and lead a healthy and happy life. It is so easy to use that not only doctors, but anyone can use it very easily. Palladium is written entirely using Python and uses the PyTorch framework for image classification. Convolutional neural network is used for the purpose of image classification. It contains two models. One for predicting diseases by using CT scan, which was trained on 10,000 images and has an accuracy of 99%. Another one for predicting diseases by using X-ray, which was trained on 5,000 images and has an accuracy of 96%. Some of the key advantage of using it are: it is easy to use, more accurate than a human doctor, and it is open source. Using it is very easy. You have to open it. After that, select whether you have a CT scan or X-ray. After that, click on the upload button and upload the image. Currently it can predict COVID-19 by using X-ray or CT scan. However, for predicting pneumonia, X-ray is needed. Currently, it can only predict pneumonia and COVID-19, but in the future I want it to be capable of predicting other diseases as well. However, for that I need a lot of data to train my model, which is very difficult to find. The link to the source code can be found in the description box below. Thanks for watching.